So last time we set up our tent, the car tent in the dark, right?
Yeah.
And this time we're going to be setting up our tent in the rain.
Oh, it's gonna be so much fun. And in the daylight time too. So bonus. All right, so we are
Trying to figure things out. It's raining, and to set up the tent, the inner part of the tent is not waterproof, just the outer part. So to set up the inner part of the tent, we need dry, and it's not dry.
the reason behind this.
You look really upset. You're getting wet in the rain.
Can you come inside here for a sec?
Oh shoot, we need to put the tarp underneath.
All right, we got the lady over here cooking up a storm. We are making some beef skewers today, aren't we?
Yes. You know, it's just brilliant to sleep in the outdoors, right?
It really is. It really is. It's so serene out here. Peaceful, quiet. Birds chirping, the only noise that, really awakens you. Right?
I'm just so surprised that all night it rained and there was thunder. The
This
tent
net.
really held up, right?
Yeah, this tent really held up. I had my resolutions of it that it probably will hold up. Resolutions. I use the word resolutions because I make grammar work. But also, the reason it held up is because I pegged the pins firmly to the ground, and that is why I, made sure the tent does not fly away. Am I right? Or am I right?
You are right. You are right.
That's right. Yeah, exactly. But this tent is not flimsy at all or anything, if that's what you are wondering. Like, it's pretty sturdy, I would say.
Yep.
Right? All right, so we are cooking up a storm again, breakfast
We're
style.
gonna have a big hearty breakfast. We're just using some of the leftovers from the skewers from yesterday. Cut up the beef into smaller pieces so that the heat disperses better and cooks faster. And yeah.
Yeah, you hit us up with those terminology right there. All right. Yeah.
Show it here. Show some of the cooking. Okay. We got ourselves some hearty breakfast ready. Just toasting some bread.
Yeah, I am hungry. Just looking at this. Plate is awaiting.
Just washing up everything, cleaning up everything, making sure the garbage is taken care of. So last night, we kept the garbage bin on the side over there, and some animal came and bit into it, and well, the trash was out everywhere. So now that's double trash can in there. Okay, are we ready to take down the tent?
Yeah. All right. One last video with my wife over here. Gonna finish it up and wrap it up is what I meant to say earlier. And here we go. Actually, I'll reverse the camera so you guys can see such an amazing view right here. Okay, I was talking about my wife. Now I'm going to show you the actual view. The other view, I should say.
Chill view, huh? Oh, it's wonderful.
Right?
Some people are paragliding, some people are sailing.
It's just an amazing view. Just right here.